This is what my evaporative humidifier looks like, and I'm about to get another one. It's 3.1 out of 5 stars. It's an evaporative humidifier. Tried to take a picture. Let's adjust the setting on
0 people.
So I changed settings, and this is what I don't like about it. I pressed the second button on the left. It's the humidity setting. Also, when you unplug it, you see it turns off. So
Messages. Now. +1. 0 people. Speech off.
Shut the fuck up. So let's change settings. Again, no result, no result, no result, nothing. There you go. So you can change all the settings you want. I can't wait until this thing is empty. Looks like I won't be using this again, so why would I clean it out? Stay tuned. I got some more humidifiers. Not another humidifier, but some more humidifiers coming your way. You heard correctly. We're gonna be trying out which one works and which one doesn't for me. Just me, myself, and I. And I'm not gonna tell you what I got. I'm not even gonna tell you what I got for the supplies for it. I'm not gonna leak anything out. You'll have to wait until after September. 'Cause think about it. Why would I tell you now and it not be a surprise? And this is after I woke up for a little bit. I haven't even sang or used my vocal cords or anything. I just woke up about 20 minutes ago. I figured, well, might as well do a fucking video as we turn this off. And we'll soon say RIP to the humidifier named Hillary. And she will be retired. And yeah. So stay tuned for more videos. And peace out.
Speech off. Take pic. Stop recording video.